Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got a dirty, clear card guide here we're going to clean real quick with 3 chemicals: soap, oil, lacquer thinner. Let's get this party started. So first we're going to just get this a little bit wet with some soap and rub off whatever is loose here. Let's just give it an initial little soak here. Didn't do a whole lot. Let's do another round here. Let's see if anything else will come off. It doesn't look like much is coming off here. Alright, next step is to scrape some of this, especially this white out here, off with your fingernail or something, just to see if you can get some of it off. And it's pretty tough, and it's not doing much here. A little bit maybe. A little bit right there on the edge. And okay, that's pretty tough. So next step is a little bit of oil. Just a couple drops. Oil on both sides here. We're going to rub this in a little bit, rub it all on the plastic, and then maybe still try to peel off some of this stuff up here in this little corner spot. A little bit off there. Okay, so there's still a bunch of this left on here. This is the fun part. So lacquer thinner will melt plastic, but one drop, and with oil on there, will not. So I'm just going to put 1 or 2 drops right on this rag right here. Not too much. There's a couple drops right there. And we're just going to rub this on right onto that, especially the white out portion of it. And it's coming off some. Let's flip this over and just do a little more. Fresh part of the rag. And that's just the one side. Let's do a little on this side. It's still a little bit. Drop or 2 is still working. Look at that already. It's just about right. That's crazy. So let's just do another round of drop of oil, drop of oil, drop of oil, drop of oil, and rub it in. Check it for detail here. See what's left. It's a little bit right there. And the edges right there, see there's a little less on the edge. Looks pretty good. So now, a little slightly different procedure. I'm going to put my 2 fingers here. I'm going to put a couple drops right between my 2 fingers here. Just a couple drops. There's maybe 4 drops right there. And now I'm just going to rub this thing right here between my fingers and try to get these edges. There's a little bit left there. If it's really good, it takes off a little red. There's a little bit of red from the lines there, but not too much. Nothing to worry about. There's a little dot left right there. Right there, and it's on the inside right there. Let's try to pinpoint that. I'm going to put a little red on this just to make sure. And then I'm going to put 1 drop here on the rag. And I'm just going to attack that one spot. It doesn't want to come off. I think that's going to be a permanent mark on there, but that's still pretty good. All right, let's call this a winner here. Let's see. That is clear. That is 5 minutes, and it's all just about as perfect. See a little bit of that tiny little dot right there, but all good. That's how you clean plastic card guides on most typewriters. Typewriter, good day.